was started in the year 1992 with the aim to provide the best education for the children of surrounding locality. We believe that every child has the potential to develop and needs only the right kind of support. We also consider that the child has to be actively involved in the learning process. Hence, we provide Montessori method of education and activity-based learning. Our vision is to produce knowledgeable, skilled, technologically up-to-date students who appreciate human values and contribute to the society. We lay a strong foundation for resilient, adaptable, empathetic, confident and independent children and enable them to understand the value of collective effort and interdependency.
We live in an ever-changing dynamic world. To be successful in today's world, life skills are very important. At Vidyanjali, life skills are carefully designed for children based on their age groups. Some of them include money management, gender discrimination, self-defense, and creating social campaign. For the high school students, we have internship programs which help them understand the dignity of labor, value of money, and the work process in an organization. Career guidance program for 10th standard students help them know about their aptitude and to select the subjects after 10th standard. Excellence is a habit at Vidyanjali. We are accredited to NABET since 2015 for quality school governance and now we are placed as achievers.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranati Ulpa and I recently completed my 10th standard from Vidyanjali Academy for Learning. I enjoyed the cultural opportunities that I was given here. I never had to compromise my academics for my co-curricular activities. I was granted freedom to express any art that I was good at and I was inspired to work on my weakness. This freedom and support is not something you'll find everywhere. I especially wouldn't find it in college as well. And I miss my school.
Hello, I'm Shriyari and I recently graduated from this school. And when I was in the school, I have been a part of something called the Employees Calendar. And this club, through small speaking sessions, massively improves your confidence. At beginning, this was just like any other weekly class. But now, when I look back at it, it has drastically improved my life and changed my life. The values and skills I picked up when I was in this club will serve me a lifetime. And I'm just thankful to have gotten the opportunity to have been part of such a great club.
We all know that India is the only country in the whole world which has got more religions, languages, customs, traditions and practices. I'm very proud to say that Vidyanjali Academy for Learning is playing an important role in bringing out the traditions and values to the kids. Especially the teacher and staffs of Vidyanjali have taken huge responsibility with perseverance and patience and teaching the kids with stories about festivals, about its practices and by which kids are learning to respect the religion, respect the people. And the celebration mood in school is awesome. You just have to experience it.
Vidyanjali Academy for Learning provided me one of the best platforms to achieve my passion. The homely environment, cordial staff and supportive management is something which every person desires for. Furthermore, the school has provided me the opportunity to enhance myself, to grow myself technologically and update myself by organizing various seminars, webinars and workshops. To sum up together, working with Vidyanjali has been absolutely amazing.